Hello, my name is Juan Sanchez from Visalia Ford. I'm here to show you the 2018 Ford Edge Sport. This Ford Edge is equipped with all the safety features. It's got your front collision detection. It beeps at you when you're getting too close to anything. Since it's the Sport, it does come with the 21-inch wheels right here. Since the Sport, it has a nice leather interior, the suede power seat on the passengers too, so your passengers are comfortable. A lot of room for the kids. AC vents in the back, so everybody's comfortable too. A lot of room in the trunk. If you need extra room, you got little buttons right here. Make everything go down. Throw a little bit more stuff. Rear sensors. Power tailgate. Since this is the Edge Sport, you do have an EcoBoost all-wheel drive engine. So you got 315 horsepower, 350 pounds of torque, so you can get your kids soccer practice real quick. The kids have their tablets, they can plug them in. You got the inverters there, USB plug-ins. Driver's side, memory seats for the whole family if they all drive the car. Easy 3 selections. Bluetooth on there, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities. Radar cruise control, so you're on the freeway, someone cuts you off, the car will brake without you having to do anything. Thank you for checking out our 2018 Edge. If you want to see more or any other cars, please come on down. Like I said, my name is Juan Sanchez. Thank you.